Want to save time typing your favorite phrases, email, or anything else? Let's set up text replacements on your iPhone so you can type faster. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss more quick iPhone tips like this. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General. Step 3. Tap Keyboard, then tap Text Replacement. Step 4. Tap the plus sign in the top right to add a new shortcut. Step 5. Type the phrase you want to appear and then the shortcut you want to trigger it. For example, type your email as the phrase and set something like at as the shortcut. Step 6. Tap Save in the top right. Now whenever you type your shortcut, your phrase will pop up automatically. And that's it. Your typing just got faster and easier. Hit subscribe for more iPhone tips that make everyday tasks quicker.